Can an LLC deduct medical expenses? Yes, an LLC can deduct medical expenses, but how these deductions are handled depends on the LLC's tax classification and whether the expenses are for the owners, employees, or their dependents. Here's a breakdown. 1. Single member LLC, disregarded entity. Medical expenses are not directly deductible by the LLC. Instead, the owner may deduct qualified medical expenses as an itemized deduction on their personal tax return, Schedule A, subject to the 7.5% of adjusted gross income (AGI) threshold. If the owner qualifies as self-employed, they may deduct health insurance premiums as a self-employed health insurance deduction. Second, multi-member LLC, partnership. Medical expenses for members can be reimbursed through an accountable plan. The LLC reimburses members for medical expenses, and the LLC deducts the reimbursement as a business expense. The reimbursement is not taxable to the member. Health insurance premiums for members can be treated as guaranteed payments, deductible by the LLC as a business expense, reported as income on the member's personal returns, but eligible for a self-employed health insurance deduction. Third, health reimbursement arrangements, HRA. An LLC can set up an HRA for members or employees. The LLC reimburses medical expenses, which are deductible as a business expense. Reimbursements are tax-free for recipients if the plan is compliant. 6 steps to deduct medical expenses. Step 1. Determine the LLC's tax classification. Identify whether the LLC is taxed as a disregarded entity, partnership, S corporation, or C corporation. Step 2. Pay or reimburse medical expenses. Ensure expenses are paid through the LLC or reimbursed under an accountable plan. Step 3. Maintain records. Keep receipts, invoices, and proof of payment for all medical expenses. Step 4. Report appropriately single-member LLC, deduct on Schedule A or as self-employed health insurance. Multi-member LLC, deduct as guaranteed payments or through an accountable plan. S Corporation, include premiums in W-2 wages, then deduct on personal returns. C Corporation, deduct as a business expense.